Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Mob Forex. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification so that you don't miss any video I'll be posting. So if you're new guys, make sure you turn on the post notification so that you don't miss any video I'll be posting on this channel. So I've brought you another video for Forex beginners. So don't miss out, stay tuned and get ready. Before we get started, make sure you join our free community where we share free daily tips, signals, and more. So like and share, comment on this video, tap on the share button, comment below on this video. Make sure you use our recommended broker FPS. The link is under this video. So stay tuned and get ready. Let's get started with our video. First of all, I'm going to tell you what is forex trading. So forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies. So in forex, we always focus on major pairs. So like GBP JPY, GBP USD, like as you can say Euro USD, XAUSD, that's gold and other pairs. But I always advise beginner traders, before getting started, like on the live account or investing, you have to get educated mentally and emotionally. So, and let me tell you why a lot of traders lose money in this financial market. Forex trading is not a get quick rich scheme. It requires patience and discipline. The next point is adopting a strategy. Those of you here who doesn't know what is a forex strategy, a forex trading strategy is the fixed plan that is designed to achieve a profitable return by going long or short. In the financial market, by the way, long means buying and short means selling. So before choosing a strategy, you have to consider these factors. Make sure your strategy is simple and don't overchange strategies. Always stick on your own strategy. You don't have to complicate yourself with many strategies. You have to focus on one strategy. As long as your winning rate is at least 50%, that one will be considered a good strategy. And lastly, we all know that there is no strategy guaranteed with 100% winning rate. And so guys, you have to manage your risk very well. Always focus on big rewards. And the next point is to choose a good trading broker. A trading broker is a middleman between you, a retail trader, and the financial market. Before choosing a trading broker, you should consider these factors. A good broker should be with the tight spreads, tight average, instant deposit, fastest withdrawal. I personally recommend you to use FBS. It has tight spreads, good average, and instant withdrawal, instant deposit, and it has bonuses, giveaways, and more. So make sure you open an account with the FBS. The link is under this video. So open your account. So I recommend you to use it. Last step is to join a trading community. A trading community must have traders with like-minded ideas and goals so that you always share with them tips and trading goals. So we have a community of over 28k profitable traders. So make sure you join us. We share trading tips and so much more. So just click. So guys, we have ended our video for beginners. So thank you for watching. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification so that you don't miss any video I'll be posting. So soon we'll be dropping another video. Comment, like, and share this video, and see you in the next coming video.